Alrighty, so now we're going to be having a look at doing all of this, but with negative numbers as well. So let's have a look. So first of all, I'm going to draw my axes, and this time I'm going to draw them like a cross so that they don't, and I'm going to try to get it as close as possible. That's going to have to do. Alrighty, so once again, I'm going to label it as such. X for the horizontal, Y for the vertical, okay? So once I've got that, now I need to number. Now just like before, if I cover up this part of it, it just looks like before, and we're going to label it as such. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to think, okay, well if it's going 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, what's this point right here? What's that one going to be? Well, it's going to be 0, right? Because 1, 0. So we've hit 0 there. Now, what do we put on the left side? Well, we're going to start counting in negatives. So 0, so 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Alrighty, now I'm going to do the same thing, but for my y-axis. So let's start going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to start going down. -1, -2, -3, -4, and all the way down to -5. Alrighty, so I've drawn up my axes. It's a little bit more complicated than my last one, but it's still quite usable. So I'm just going to save a copy of this for later. So let's actually read off some points. So I'm going to put this one here, then I'm going to put this one here, this one down here, and this one here. Oh, not that one there, here. Alright, so let's start off with this lovely one here, this point right here. Alright, so how are we going to deal with it? Well, let's look down first. So 2, and then let's look across. It's a 4. So that's 2, 4. Alrighty, that one, same as before, same as on our positive axes, just a little bit different. I'll show you how to do the next one. So the next point's going to be -2, 4. -2, 4. Alrighty. One more down here. -2. -4. And last point, 2, -4. Alrighty, so those are those 4 points. Alrighty, not too bad. Let's see if you can have a go as well. So pop you an axis to draw on. And these are the points I want you to have a go at plotting. 2, 3, -2, 3, 2, -3. Oh, sorry, what am I doing? I'm not going to tell you what they are. I'm going to draw them, and you're going to tell me what they are. So, here are your points. 1 there, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 down here. So those are your 4 points. Pause the video, have a go. Tell me what each of them is called. Alrighty, so let's start with this first point here. So that's going to be 3, 2. This next point over here, that's going to be -3, 2. Remember, x always comes before y, so the -3 comes before the 2. Why? Because x is before y. Next one, this one down here, is going to be 3, -3, not the other way around. Why? X comes first. And last one, -3, -4. Alrighty, so those are 4 points. Okay, so we can read points. Now we've got to be able to write down points. So, alrighty, so I'm going to write some points up. Might be 2, 1. Alrighty, so I'll start with 2, 1. So this tells us 2 across, 1 up. So there's 2, 1. Next point is going to be, alright, so where's that going to go? Well, it's still 2 across, but this time it's 1 down. Alright, next one. We'll go 4. Oh no, we won't do 4. We'll do -4, 2. So that's -4 along my x-axis, and then 2 up. So that's -4, 2. And the last one is going to be -4, -2. -4 and -2, so -4 across again, but this time we're going to go 2 down instead of 2 up. So those are the 4 points. This one is for you to have a go at. So 2, 3, to -3, -5, -2, and we'll go -5, 2. Have a go at that one. Alrighty, so hopefully you've had a go now. If you need more time, you can always just pause the video for more time. You need as much time as you need. So let's have a go at this one. So 2 across, 3 up. 2 across, 3 down. -5 across, 2 down. And the last one, -5 across, 2 up. And let me label them properly. 2, 3. Now the last thing that we've got to be able to do is the fringe cases. They're not that commons, but the most important ones. Okay, so let's have a look at these ones. These come up all of the time, and they tend to give everyone a little bit of grief. And these are when we have, oh, let me move that. This happens when we have zeros in the mix, because for some reason 0 just makes all of this real painful. So what do we do when we see 0? Well, it's not too bad. We just got to remember where 0 lives on all of this. So let's have a look at 0, 5, 0, -3, and 0, 2. So 3 points A, B, and C. We're going to have a go. So 0 means we're going to 0 across. So where is 0? Well, if we're looking across this way, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side. And over here we've got we've got -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where's 0? Well, 0 is right in between. It's right in the middle here. So that's where 0 is. And what have I got to do? 0 across. Done that. 5 up. So that's going to be 0, 5. What about the next one? 0, -3. Well, where's 0 along my x-axis? Same place. Except this time, instead of going up 5, I'm going to go down 1, 2 to negative 3. So there's 0, negative 3. And the last one, 0, 2. So 0 across, 2 up. So there are my 3 points. Alrighty. But what about the ones that are going to go the other way? What if the number, the 0, was in the second part? So 6, 0, negative 2, 0, and we'll say 3, 0. Where are these going to go? Well, 6 tells us to go 6 across. And how far up? Well, 0. So I'm going to go nowhere up. So that's where it's going to go. That's 6, 0. What about the next one? Well, the next one tells me to go negative 2 and then up or down 0. So that's negative 2, 0. And the last one is 3, 0. So 3 across, 0 up or down. So you can see, this is what happens when we have numbers that look like this. So to finish this up for today, I'm going to give you a few to write down. So I'm going to give you 4 points and I want you to write down each of them. So we're going to have 4, negative 2. Alrighty, so we're going to have 4, negative 2, negative 6, 8. Oh, we can't do that. We'll do negative 6, 2. Then we'll have 5, 0, and we'll have 0, negative 3. So plot those 4 points and then check your answers. Alrighty, so hopefully you've had a go. So let's do the first one. 4, negative 2. 4 across, 2 down. Perfect. Negative 6, 2. It's negative 6 to start with. 2 up. You can draw a neater point than that. Negative 6, 2. 5, 0. 5 across, 0 up or down. And last one, 0, negative 3. 0 down 3. Alrighty, so now we should be able to plot in every single way. We should be able to plot points on the axis or off the axis, positive and negative numbers. Hope you had a lovely day. See you next time.